Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Mastercard with Barclays. So let's get started right away. Just go ahead and open up your web browser first and then type in Barclays Mastercard login in the search box and press enter. Now from the search results, you will find a link which says enter your login details. Just click on this and you will be taken into the login page for Barclays Mastercard. Now just go ahead and type in your username or your ID number. You can also log in using your 16-digit card number instead. Click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password. After entering your password, you will be logged in to your Barclays Mastercard. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Mastercard with Barclays. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.